Hey, how you doing, people? What's good? I just so happened to come across a YouTube video that caught my attention, and it comes on the wake of these shootings with police officers and how they're acting unlawful, and the cops and violence and things like that. And what caught my attention was the situation dealing with the Nevada shooting with the couple, and the day after they released this video, this report about Indiana. Now I remember seeing this about 2 years ago, and it was on the news briefly, and then it went hush. But it was the NRA-backed legislation in the state of Indiana, in which if you find any unlawful behavior or action taken by any servants of law enforcement, and they're acting aggressively in any which manner that endangers yourself or those loved ones around you, you have rights to pretty much defend yourself, and with deadly force. So I'm going to show you this. So I'm going to show you this article, and so you can see for yourself. This is it says here, as you can see. You can go look. I have the website there. So, you know, but look, in number 2, as you can see, number 2 right here, it states that last year, Indiana became the first and only state to enact an NRA-backed law that specifically allows civilian force against law enforcement officers and other public servants when they are engaging in unlawful activity. Now, you see this here? This is deal with trespassing, unlawful trespassing, anything. Deadly force. This is the only law in the Union. So now, we're going to listen to Baba Dick Gregory and what he has to say about it. And he brought the attention to a brother who has always been in the forefront of keeping us up to buck and things in the black community. And the name of the show that he has on called We All Be, news, radio, and TV. So you need to check him out on YouTube. But you know, as we all know, Baba Dick Gregory can be funny at times, but he always tells the truth, and we all should be eternally grateful for this man that's on the forefront of civil rights and keeping us and being an elder to the black community. But I just want to bring this up so y'all can hear for yourself.
Ask not what we all be can do for you. Ask what you can do for we all be.
Listen to this now. The cop got killed, and 2 cops, right?
Mm-hmm.
In Vegas, right?
Yes, sir.
The next day, the story breaks that Indiana has just signed a law that if you think a cop is threatening you or wrongly acting, you have a right to shoot him. Did you see that?
No, sir. I heard about the Vegas shooting, though. Yeah, I heard about
I didn't ask that. The fact that this comes the day after the Vegas gets released. Governor signed it. The NRA was behind it. Right? So I'm saying bullshit.
There's been a lot of shootings. I mean, you've had the one in California with the boy, the guy.
We ain't talking about that, man. We talking about a fucking governor signs a bill that you can kill a cop. Huh?
Yes, sir.
That don't mean nothing to niggas because we take shit off of them. Did you hear what I just said, man?
Yeah, I heard what you said. Yes, sir.
When they told me, when I heard the Kennedy shooting, this didn't fuck me up as bad as this. How'd that fucking bill get through? Indiana is where the Klan, huh?
Yes, sir. They was the strongest Klan state.
No, was created. Huh?
Yes, sir.
A Republican governor? So what I'm saying to do, then we'll talk, punch that up. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And then what's even worse, The bill was signed 2 years ago.
2 years ago. Wow.
We talking about, okay, that's what I'm saying. Do you realize, man, if a cop come by your house and you lived in Indiana with a warrant, but they broke the door down and you heard the door break down, you can kill all the motherfuckers or you didn't know it was the police.
Oh, wow.
Huh?
Oh, man. Well,
so if a cop pulls you over in Indiana because your back light was off and then asks you what's that in that bag in the front seat, and you say you got a warrant, you say I don't need a warrant, you pull your gun and blow that motherfucker's brains out. That's what I'm talking about. Then the fact it was signed 2 years ago and never got released till the day after the cop was killed, the 2 cops. And then if you look at that bullshit, the guy and his wife, huh?
Yeah.
So they killed 2 cops eating pizza, right?
Yep, that's easy pizza. Yes, sir.
Why did they go to Walmart? Who's in Walmart you want to kill? And then the guy they was talking to had a concealed weapon. He has a right to carry. Did you hear that?
Yes, sir.
And he reached for the weapon. The wife was behind him and blew his motherfucking brains out. None of that shit sounds right, man. If you were revolutionary and you going after cops, huh? So you shoot 2 and you hide across the street till the rest of the cops get there, okay? And if you're talking about committing suicide, you walk in with a bomb around you and go into a police station and blow it up, okay? Something ain't right about this shit, man. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, that's right. There's a lot of stuff happening right now, but I got pulled over by some cops in Alabama. I saw you and Paul moving down to Atlanta. They pulled me over for no reason.
Look, I'm telling you something. You tell me how many times they can pull niggas over for nothing. I'm not talking about no nigger shit, boy. God damn it. Huh? I'm telling you something that shocked me more than Kennedy getting shot. And you tell me about some nigger shit? Huh? I'm surprised they didn't say excluding niggas, because niggas don't give a fuck what they do. I'm talking about this law. They wouldn't have got through for niggas. This is white folks they protecting. And I'm saying something ain't right about you can kill cops.
Yes, sir.
That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, that's something that people need to know about. It need to be circulated there.
And then the fact that it was signed 2 years ago and nobody never heard about it till Monday. That's all. And I just want you to check it out, then we'll talk.
Sounds good. Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Now, as you can see, Dick Gregory is shocked. This is mine and dismayed just as I am. This is a Republican governor and the NRA in Indiana. Now, you heard them say in the tape that this law is backed up by the NRA. That they are allowing citizens in Indiana to take the law in their own hand when they feel that the police is acting in an unjustified manner, rudely, that endangered the welfare of themselves or anyone else, is overstepped. You can kill a cop? Come on now. Now, I'm not advocating for any kind of violence, but this is stuff that y'all got to think about. They didn't exclude no black people. They didn't exclude no Hispanic. So what is they trying to tell you? This is the conversation that I want to bring up. What do you think about this law? What do you think about this legislation? And in Indiana, and this is a testing ground for this to spread throughout the union. They already know how it goes. If it goes in one state, eventually it's going to start making its way into neighboring states, and there are other states that will start picking up similar legislation. Something to think about. So, what are your thoughts? And, post your comments. Till then, have a good one. Peace. Be careful out there.